Right, welcome back to this next tutorial, and now we're going to put another couple of songs on the jukebox. To do that, what I need to do is I need to insert on my action layer 2 new keyframes. Then I'm going to add some actions. On the first one, I'm going to turn off the sound. Now I've got to do that on a separate frame, because if I do it on the same frame, then as the sound is on, the sound won't play because it'll stop all sounds, as it says. And on the frame number 5, I'm going to press stop. Now frame number 5 is where I put my next song, which, if I right click on that, insert a keyframe, and simply drag on my next song. A little blue line goes into there. Insert just a frame to extend the timelines of the ones which are there. And then I'm going to go onto my buttons layer. I'm going to right click, select my button number 2, right click in actions, and again I'm going to do my on release, make sure I get in between the curly brackets, go to and play, and this time it's going to be my frame number 5. Control Enter to test this now. So number 1 goes to my first song. Number 2 hopefully should go to number Now, what's actually happened there is that I shouldn't have got to frame 5 because I've forgotten to stop the sounds first. So in actual fact, if I change that to frame 4 and now try it, now you could hear the 2 songs were playing at the same time there. If I press enter now, first song plays, and this time, because I've stopped all sounds first, it's stopped them playing. Now, having done that, I'm going to do exactly the same for my third song. Action scripting. First of all, I need to insert my keyframes, which is what I keep forgetting to do on the action layer. On the action layer, the first action is to stop all sounds, and that's the one I need to be aiming for, so I don't make the same mistake I did last time. And then the next one is, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an action, and that action is to stop. Into frame 7, what I need to do is I need to insert a keyframe on my sounds layer, and then my final song I simply drag and drop onto the stage. Again, you'll see on the timer it's a bit small actually when I'm doing such a small thing. You can see the little blue line there. Right click and insert a frame to increase the size of the timelines on the other one. Oops, now I've done that as a keyframe, so let's do insert a frame, and then I should be able to test my movie. Number 2 plays, skippable 1, a little bit slow starting. I could perhaps edit the sound file on that. And then number 3 is not working because I forgot to put the action scripting on the button. So let's go to the button layer. Number 3, oops, button layer. Let's select my item number 3. Just keeps flicking from the button layer. It's a bit of a pain. So here we got our actions, on release, go to, oops, done that in the wrong place. Go to and play, and this time it's going to be frame 6, which stops the sounds. So now if I go and enter that and try it, 1, 2, 3 songs.